Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Granite BLX. It is on 3S. It is the 2200 milliamp battery that I got. It's a little small 3S pack. I'm just gonna run it and see how it go. I am out with Sammy, so we're gonna go ahead and get a quick bash in. I want to test this out on 3S. I haven't yet. I just switched over to connectors. Yeah. Sammy's got the truggy out. There's pipe on there. Check him out, huh? Alright, 3S one. See what it do. I think I turned the punch up, but wasn't too sure. I did go ahead and fix that body mount if I didn't say that before. Throttle with the two-wheel drive. She definitely jumped nice though. I haven't even got to half throttle yet. Let's see if we can though. Hold on, y'all. See if we get a good one in. I didn't catch the landing. Just try standing on this side because the breeze is a little bit too much today. It's nice out, but the breeze killing it. It's got plenty of power for sure. Landed. It's jumping nice with 3S though. I keep missing. Sammy's got that RTI Losi 8 ready to run. I can pull a back flip. Aye. Definitely have a lot of kick on 3S. I can't get to full. There we go. I need to change the maybe the servo or the steering on. Getting too much play. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Pipe sounds good. running so far. Nah, it's all good. Oh, that was all my fault. Flip nice though. Nice. Nice save, nice save. Oh! Yeah.
Front's definitely slowed down.
Yeah, definitely.
What do you want to do? Set up some on-road?
Doesn't matter, I brought a bunch of cars. Nice. She launches nice. Woo! Nice. She jumped nice for sure.
Not bad for an ITR.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, I don't know how much I'm getting out of that pipe I put on there, so I'd say it's a little more powerful, but still.
Yeah.
I ran it for a little bit with that stock pipe, and it was just as badass. The only thing
Oh. Nice. Oh, chased it. Oh, nearly ran right into that fence. We get a good one there, y'all. Whew, that wasn't bad. Oh, that was all me right there. Cut it short. I gotta say, I'm impressed with this little rig. Take a lead. And they got plenty of torque. I think I might went into low voltage. Let's see. Yeah, we in low voltage, y'all. So anyway, had a fun time with the Arrma Granite on 3S. Did do nice on the jumps. It held up. After all them crashes. So let me go ahead and show y'all this 3S I'm running. It's a little 3S, 2200 milliamp. It's a little one I got for free from China Hobby. But that's it right there, 30C. Nothing major, but she did nice on it. The 3S's that I normally run are too big for this slot. So if I get some better 3S's, if not, I'll keep running on 2S and these batteries. I got about 3 of them. Did pretty good, not hot or nothing. So, all right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. It was a fun run with the Arrma Granite.